How many holes are there down there? Did you know that the female anatomy has 3 openings? 1 through which urine comes out, 2 through which a baby comes out, and 3 through which stool comes out. Every time I'm seeing patients in my office and I'm explaining to them their anatomy when I'm doing a pelvic exam, it still shocks me that how few women actually understand their anatomy and actually has the vocabulary to explain what they're feeling or where they're feeling pain and what's bothering them. So today we're going to change all that. You guys ready? Let's get started. So this is my handy pelvic model and we're going to look at the female external genitalia. So like I said, the topic of today is to understand what are the 3 openings. This is basically the outside. If you start on the top, that's the clitoris. See that yellow dot? That's the clitoris. Underneath that, you have the first opening or the first hole. This is known as the urethra, and this is what we call the pee hole, or through which urine comes out when we're going to the bathroom. Underneath the urethra is the vaginal opening. So the vaginal opening is where through which a baby comes out, or during penetration, this is where the penis goes in. And also when you're having your period or your menses, this is where blood comes out from. And then underneath the vaginal opening, a little bit of separation is where you have the anal opening, and this is where the stool comes out. So for those of you who often ask me questions that when I'm doing vaginal surgery, where am I operating? So when I'm doing vaginal surgery, I'm operating through this opening right here. So the next question is, how am I operating with this tiny hole? Great question. Keep an eye out. I'll make a separate video for that. So there you go. Now you know. It should not be confusing. Know your body parts, know your anatomy, and have the vocabulary to explain the anatomy. And this is not just for entertainment. Words are important. I will go as far as to say those of you who have younger girls, please teach them the anatomy so that they have the right vocabulary, they have the right words to be able to explain what it is that they're feeling, and God forbid they're ever in a situation where they don't feel safe, they know exactly how to describe it for themselves to get them the help they need.